Have you ever been in a state whereby you understand that there are things that you cannot change, but there are things that you can also change? When you are in that state, please, my guy, make sure and try your best and fight to change all the things that you can still change. Try your best. Try all you can. Live for that. Use your 24-hour to change whatever that you can still change. Be grateful that there are those things that you can still change, because there are things that you cannot change, but you wish they happened differently. So whenever you get a chance, either be a second chance or 100th chance, please make sure that you work hard to change the things that you wish they changed.
Ngoba zonke izinto zisihambela kahle. It's just that nje emini sesayijwayeza ukuhleka nani bese ebusuku sikhala sodwa. Ngoba inkinga zethu masixoxela nina kuhleba ngathi yabo.
Mungibona ngikhala hayi ngoba ngidedema. Umzimba bempilo buyayishiya imiphefumulo yami nemvimbo. Bathi indoda ekhala ifela ngaphakathi. Sivukile asithandi kanti leleziwe. Hayi ngoba ngilipheka isivivinyo sokuhlupheka. Ngawezwa namakhaza aqinisa izinto. Bathi indoda ekhala ifela ngaphakathi. Kayeleka ngikhula ngoba ngibona njengesiqalekiso. Noma ngiqanjwe ngosibusiso. Noma kubuhlungu kodwa sekudlulile. Themba lempumelelo kuphela esiphokophelele masifika phambili. Mhlawumbe umhlabathi uzobe usuvundile.